In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a typing test in Google Sheets. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. You will be using just a few cells to build a simple typing practice setup that gives instant feedback. First, click into cell A1. This cell will hold the sentence your user is trying to copy. Type a practice sentence directly into A1. A classic example is, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog." You can use any sentence you like, but it helps to choose something with common words and punctuation, so it feels like real typing practice. Next, click on cell A2. This is where you will place a clear instruction for the person taking the test. In A2, type the label, type your text here. This makes it obvious where the user should focus. Now click on cell B2. This is the typing area. The user will click here and type the sentence exactly as it appears in A1. Accuracy matters, because this test will compare the text character by character, including spaces and punctuation. After that, click on cell B3. This cell will display the result message. In B3, enter the following formula exactly. $if B2A1. Correct. Keep typing, then press enter. This formula checks whether the text in B2 matches the sentence in A1. If it matches perfectly, it shows correct. If not, it shows keep typing as gentle feedback while the user continues. Now click back on cell B2 again, because we are going to add a visual cue. Go to the Format menu at the top of Google Sheets and select Conditional Formatting. On the right, a sidebar will open with formatting rules. In the sidebar, click the drop-down that says Format Cells If, and change it to Text is Exactly. In the value box, type $A1. This tells Google Sheets to apply formatting only when the typed text in B2 is exactly the same as the reference text in A1. Finally, choose a green fill color so the cell highlights when the user gets it right, and click Done. Now, as the user types in B2, they will see a message in B3 and a green highlight when they match the sentence perfectly. That covers everything you need to know.